This COVID thing has made me really go through a bit of deja vu. I've been talking to people who have lost their jobs about what their plans are for the future. And last week, in particular, I had received a phone call from a woman who told me that she left her job. She wasn't happy with how they were handling some of the stuff because of COVID. And, I said, so what are your plans? And she goes, well, I plan to set up my own practice. I think I'm ready for it. I think I can do this. I said, that's great. And she goes, well, and that's why I wanted to talk to you, because I'm thinking of cashing in my 401k to fund it. So I said, let me ask you a question. Did you talk to your financial advisor or your CPA about this? And she said, yeah, and that's why I'm talking to you. In fact, my financial advisor didn't even let me get beyond the word cash. And she said, well, if that's what you're going to do, I'm not going to work with you. You're going to have to find yourself a new financial advisor.